Hello everybody. Today we are going to see the two acquisition mode that provides Keratron Nova. To do that, let's select a patient and go in acquisition. In that case, I select the inner sensor that you can see here, and the image is perfectly focused. But sometimes patients are not have got deep set eyes or are not so collaborative. So in that case, we have to use the external sensor that give us much more space in acquisition. So let's come back, select the other sensor. As as you can see now, you are no more in focus. So with the test eye, we unscrew it and come back in focus. During this progression, you can definitely feel that the area is less than before, but keep on cover around 75%. These two sensors gives you the opportunity to cover much more patient and have always good acquisition.